Hello, hi guys, a very good morning. Here with the 31st March current affairs, miscellaneous current affairs. These are from 1st April. I am going to put in current affairs for the same day, on the same day, along with some of the current affairs which have happened in the past days. So you are going to experience a polity shift from 1st April onwards. Lakshmi Priya Mohapatra passed away. She was a dash. So kindly give the correct answer for that. So she was a dancer, she was an Odia dancer, and she has passed away at the age of 86. CM Naveen Patnaik has paid tributes and has announced state funeral. She started dancing at an early age in Annapura Theatre in Puri, and she came in contact with Kelu Charan Mohapatra at the Annapurna Theatre B in Cuttack. 2021 World Theatre Day was observed on which date? Kindly give the correct answer. So the correct answer for the same is March 27th. World Theatre Day was observed on March 27th. The International Theatre Institute, world's largest performing arts body, first observed the World Theatre Day in 1962. This time the ITI conference was held in Helsinki in Finland and the second one in Vienna. These days, several institutions organize events to commemorate these days, and the first and the foremost priority of these days is to create awareness about the medium of theatre and also highlight the contribution of stars and stalwarts who have made the stage as their oyster. Oyster means a ground in which they have incubated their skills and become the great stars that they are. Anil Dharkar passed away at 74. He was a, kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is author. So Anil Dharkar was a noted journalist and author. He had a 5-decade long illustrious career. He had been a columnist, writer, architect, and a member of the advisory committee of the Film Certification Board and more. Which shipyard company has delivered MV Sindhu, a 500 pax passenger cum 150 MT cargo vessel built for Andaman and Nicobar Islands? This was built indigenously, that means built in India. The answer for the same is Cochin Shipyard. So Cochin Shipyard has delivered the MV Sindhu. The world-class ship will prove to be a boon in the shipping service for the far-flung islands. Which country has test-fired nuclear-capable Shaheen-1A ballistic missiles? Shaheen means eagle in Urdu. So now the correct answer is very easy to guess. It's Pakistan. So Pakistan has tested it. The missile has a range of 900 kilometers and it is guided with sophisticated and advanced guidance system. Which country has celebrated 50 years of independence? The answer is here. Bangladesh has celebrated 50 years of independence. India freed it from the clutches of West Pakistan and then East Pakistan was named as Bangladesh. Prahlad Singh Patel and Shivraj Singh Chauhan has inaugurated Maharaja Chhatrasal Convention Center at which place in Madhya Pradesh? The correct answer for the same is Khajuraho. Khajuraho has the famous temples and they have inaugurated it for the purpose of promoting tourism. Who among the following has launched Tribal TB Initiative in pursuit of TB Mukt Bharat? Correct answer for the same is Dr. Harshvardhan Singh, who is the Minister for Health. So he has launched the TB Mukt Bharat. He wishes that the government accords top priority for universal access for free treatment and care of TB across the country. Which city has got the world's first mobile water from air kiosk and water knowledge center? Correct answer for the same is, kindly give the correct answer. Correct answer is Smart City Vishakhapatnam. They have got the first mobile water from air kiosk and water knowledge center. This initiative was supported by Greater Vishakhapatnam Municipal Corporation. Project Seva, Sustainable Enterprises for Water and Health, which is an alliance between USAID and SWN, Safer Water Network. USAID has partnered with Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs under the Jal Jeevan program. Dekho Apna Desh was launched by which state CM? It was launched by none of these because it was launched by Arunachal Pradesh CM Prema Khandu. He has said that Arunachal Pradesh is a big state and mostly likely it is there that people of the state itself have not visited other places other than their work or residency. So he has launched the program. Affordable renting, housing and complexes scheme was inaugurated in which state? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh has launched the scheme for offering affordable rental housing for poor people living in cities. This was approved by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and this was given an official release. Who among the following is the author of the book 1232 km The Long Journey Home? The correct answer for the same is Vinod Kapri. Vinod Kapri has launched this book. This is about the arduous journey that the laborers took on account of COVID-19. Which of the following cities will host the AFC Women's Asia Cup India 2022? Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar, Correct answer is all of the above, as all of the cities are going to hold the AFC Women's Asia Cup. New bacterial strains were found in different locations on the International Space Station. New species is named Mythobacterium ajmali to honor which person? Correct answer for the same is Ajmal Khan. So they have been named after Ajmal Khan. The ISS suggests possibilities of astronauts growing their own vegetables while in the space. Who among the following has been appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer for the same is Saurabh Garg. Saurabh Garg has been appointed as the UIDAI CEO. In a separate notification, Sanjeev Kumar, a 1991 batch IAS officer of Maharashtra, has been appointed as the chairman of Airport Authority of India. Which company has launched D2R Finance to provide instant liquidity for SMEs, small medium enterprises? Correct answer for the same is BharatPe. So BharatPe has launched this unique instant liquidity facility for SME. Which bank has joined with IIFL Securities to launch KBL Smart Trade? Correct answer for the same is Karnataka Bank. By this, the bank customers from any location can open paperless online trading account in minutes with IIFL Securities under the KBL Smart Trade. Which country has finalized loans around $2.11 billion for several key infrastructure projects, including the fourth phase of Delhi Metro? Answer is very simple. Answer is Japan. Japan has from the start given soft loans to India. So this time a $2.111 billion for several key infrastructure projects, including for the fourth phase of Delhi Metro, was passed. Tata Motors and which bank has joined forces to offer innovative financial solutions for commercial vehicle customers? Correct answer for the same is State Bank of India. Tata wants that the purchasers of India don't have any difficulty while buying it. So they have given unique financial assistance for the purchase of Tata Motors range of small and light commercial vehicles. JNPT Port has signed a memorandum of understanding with CNB Logitech worth how many crores per annum for monitoring, tracking and optimizing the movement of as many as 50 lakh containers in foreign trade? Correct answer for the same is 100 crores. So 100 crore agreement was passed. The two companies have said that this will facilitate the foreign trade policy through a more efficient movement of containers. Thank you very much for 31st March current affairs. I shall see you on 1st April now.